think it's time we sit down and we have this talk. Do you guys really think I was gonna sell the BMW? No, I'm talking about the daily driver. You know, if you guys are subscribed to the old channel, you may have seen my riced out Toyota Camry. But it's time to part ways with this thing, and we're gonna sit down and have a talk and kind of explain the direction that we're gonna go, because this is definitely gonna affect the whole build process of the BMW. To me, for the better. To some of you guys, maybe you won't agree, but I think this is going to be a huge step for not only the BMW, but for the YouTube channel itself. Anyway, though, if you guys look at this, you guys see this hoodie? Look at that, 335i Nation. You guys should go cop one. I'll leave the Instagram right here. You guys should definitely go buy one if you're a 335i fanboy. Their Instagram page is sick. They're always posting cars up there, and these hoodies are like super quality. It's like super soft. It's like 35 degrees out and I'm pretty warm, and all I have is a shirt on under this. So definitely go and go cop a nice hoodie from them. Quality, baby. Alright, so I'm gonna try and keep this short, simple, sweet, and to the point, as most of you guys know, and as Steve and Andy and a couple other people that know me always say. I like to talk a lot, so I can go into a bunch of detail about this, but I'm gonna try and just keep it nice and to the point. So this is my 2007 BMW 330. Can't believe I just said that. This is my 2007 Toyota Camry with the nice V6 motor and a K&N cold air intake that's pretty dirty and stuff. I'm gonna throw like a cinematic video and you're just gonna hear like a voiceover right now. But okay, so this 2007 Camry was my daily driver. It treated me well for a very long time. I got it at 70,000 miles. It's now at 120,000 miles. I never had a check engine light on this car at all. All I did was change spark plugs, add an intake, and as you guys can see right now, you see multiple things that I've done, such as red calipers and black replica cheap wheels and blacked out parts of the car, blacked out headlights, different aftermarket taillights, tinted windows, little like black vinyl wrap in certain areas. And I put a good amount of money into this car. Do I think it was worth it? No. I think I wasted a lot of money in this car. Do I feel happy with the car? Yes. The car lasted me a long time. Well, I beat the crap out of it. I used to think that I was a little speed racer in this, but now that I actually have a car that actually makes serious power, I realize how much of like a little ricer I look like with this car and how this car sounds. Insert exhaust clip here. Car's good, lasts me a while. Still gonna be in the family. My little sister's actually buying this car for me, who she's about to be 17, so in New Jersey, 17, you can drive on your own. She does need to learn how to parallel park, so definitely look out for a future video very soon of, you know, teaching my sister how to parallel park. You know, the sister videos seem to do pretty well, and if you guys say anything crazy about my sister,
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Anyway, what you guys really came here for. So, it's time to talk about what's going to happen with the BMW. So, the 335i is going to be my daily driver. As you guys know, I live in New Jersey, so I do have snow potential and stuff like that. As you guys also know, I have upgraded turbos and stuff, and my car makes a good amount of power. So, the question is, in terms of how am I going to daily drive it? What am I going to do? Well, the rims that you guys saw me take off in the last video, the black rims, those originally were winter rims from my uncle when I bought the car. So I have a set of brand new winter tires upstairs, and I'm going to be putting the winter tires on those rims, and then I will put these black rims on the car for the winter, And then the rims that you guys saw, the VMR 710s, as you guys saw, they had a lot of curb rash and stuff on them. So those are going to be getting sent out to be powder coated and fixed up. So those will be coming back brand new. Those will be like my summer track, show car rims. Those would be like, you know, the everyday rims once I don't have to worry about snow. Rain's not a big deal. The car isn't like crazy in rain. Any car is going to slip in rain. You just have to know how to control it. And, you know, I've been learning how to control the car. But on that note, not only is the car going to be my daily driver, but with the money that I'm going to be getting from the Camry, a lot of that is going to be reinvested into the BMW, which is going to be good, in my opinion. So, as you guys know, I had said that I intended on wrapping the car and stuff like that, but then I went and bought the port injection kit along with the rims. If you didn't see that video, you can check it out right there. So, the port injection kit, actually, I'm not going to be keeping. I'm going to be selling it, so you guys saw it. If you didn't see it, go and watch that video, or I'll also throw a picture up of what the kit looks like. It's a Motiv port injection kit. It comes with 550cc injectors, as well as the JB4 integration. You will need to get your own extended studs and your own fuel lines and everything to make it capable, but I'm looking for $700 for it. If you buy it brand new, it's like $1,300, $1,400, $1,500, especially depending on what kit you go with. If you guys are interested, leave a comment below or DM me on Instagram and we could talk about, you know, shipping it out or local pickup. I'm also, you know, talking to multiple people about buying it, so there could be a potential buyer before you guys even see this video or something like that. So if you're too late, I'm sorry. Anyway, so since we're selling the port injection kit, long story short, I'm not going to be going for 700 horsepower like I originally intended. What I am going to do though is I'm going to go ahead and get the car wrapped. I'm not going to tell you guys the color. Some of you may already know because I may have told some of you, so don't ruin it in the comments below. But go in the comments and take a guess of what color you think it may be. Also, you know, give me some suggestions what color you would like to see. Anyway, car's going to get wrapped. Rims are going to be new. I am going to be getting some bumpers for the car, front and rear bumpers. Pretty much we're going to be doing a whole cosmetic like refresh of the BMW, and it's going to be like, you know, phase 2, you know, summer's phase 2. So you know, originally we had the power for the BMW. Now I want to be able to enter my BMW into car shows and stuff like that here in New Jersey, as I feel the way that YouTube works is I feel a lot of people are more attracted to the looks of the car over how a car performs. You know, you see like TJ Hunt, Dustin Williams, Evan Shanks, Eliminate. You see their YouTube channels and they're more biased towards bagged wide body, the way that the car looks and everything like that. And you see how successful they do. I feel it's just a little more important to go for looks of the car. Also, I've been wanting to do looks of the car. I'm happy with how the power numbers are now. That's not to say we're not going to do anything to add more power. You guys will see very soon in future videos I'm going to be getting, you know, some fueling stuff. And I'm going to get a professional tune, so I'm not going to lie, I am hoping to hit like 550, 600 horsepower to the wheels with the car, which I think is going to be plenty enough for a daily driver. I think it'll be very fun, but now instead of going for, you know, 700 horsepower and having the car just be all blacked out, now we'll have a very nice show, clean looking car, and we could still make 500 horsepower, 550 wheel horsepower, which is plenty enough for a daily driver. I promise you guys that. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope I also caught you guys and, you know, made you guys think I was actually selling the BMW, which would never happen because this 335i is like, that's my baby, that's summer. Until, you know, I can make a lot more money and afford something else, that's for future to know what I'll get as the next car. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me talking. I hope you guys also will go down, subscribe, leave a like. Definitely help support the channel out because the Right Stuff Camry is going to be getting sold and the clean Euro spec BMW is going to be coming up, making some nice power and looking clean. So get ready to see it in car shows near you if you're in New Jersey. I'm hoping to enter it in pretty much every car show possible for this summer because I intend on the car being done by spring. So the next couple of months on this channel is going to be filled with BMW stuff along with Steve's 2J swap. So always remember, work hard, stay humble.